In occupational therapy, we focus on the occupation of the child, which is to learn and play. We focus on fine and gross motor skill development, self-regulation, and self-help. Fostering independence in the classroom is important, and one activity many children learn to do is to push the chair to the table or to circle time. This works on their gross motor skill as well as learning to transition. When ready for tabletop activity, children are encouraged to be seated properly at the table with supported seating, where their elbows are supported by the cutout table, as well as they are seated in a chair that has been selected by the therapy team to provide optimal positioning, where the trunk is supported as well as the pelvis, and the feet are able to touch the floor in a semi-weight-bearing position. Students are encouraged to hold markers or crayons or any writing utensil that helps them with a grasp. They are encouraged to learn pre-printing strokes such as vertical lines and horizontal lines. The first step often is to experience the stroke movement, to imitate, and to be shown demonstrations of how to draw and to color and to target color. Sometimes we are working on tapping just to see what the effect is of the crayon on the paper. Often adaptations are provided to assist with the learning process, such as the angled writing surface, the stubby crayon, as well as some hand-over-hand assistance to experience and initiate the task. Other tabletop tasks that are worked on include hand skills, such as grasp and release. This is important as it is a precursor to learning how to clean up. Other activities allow opportunity to develop eye-hand coordination, bilateral play using both hands, and overall grasp and release control. Sometimes very small items are presented to the students so that they can work on their fine pincer development. Sitting balance is encouraged using different pieces of equipment and furniture. For example, sitting on a bench works on posture, on balance and weight bearing on the floor, and functional play. The ability to reach across from the side and in midline. This helps with the students' overall body awareness and is part of functional play. Snack time is very important time to learn self-help skills in feeding. Some children are learning to use spoons, how to hold the spoon, how to scoop, and how to bring food to their mouth. Other children are learning how to use their fingers to pick up food and feed themselves. Often the children also spend time with cleanup, where they put their eating utensils and bowls away in the cleanup bin. Another self-help skill learned at Silver Creek is dressing and undressing. Learning to unzip fasteners such as zippers and Velcro straps on shoes. Learning to take off the jacket and hang it up at the cubby space. An important skill to have in preparation for the start of class. Is this Hanan?